things I don't like about resin printing, particularly in black. First off, it looks like these resin prints, and again, primarily in black, I haven't printed in any other color yet, picks up a lot of these scrape marks really, really easily. The second thing is the supports. The supports leave these divots and there's no way to get rid of them. Also, if you look at this base, so there was the base, there were supports, and then the supports plug into here. Where the supports plugged in, it's actually a rounded surface, and it's very, very bumpy. And despite my previous video that I literally just posted where I said shrinkage wasn't a problem whenever I tested putting a Cherry MX keypad switch in there, I go to put this back here and I am actually a millimeter short. So there was actually some shrinkage. So it's interesting. Oh, look at that. My finger just did, just did that. So anyway, the detail in resin printing is amazing, but it's not a panacea, and particularly whenever you use black.